So we're gonna do the splatter effect. Okay, so I wrote here beauty. I used Nature Beauty personal use font. Okay, so press on beauty, rasterize layer, create new mask, and in this new mask right click, create clipping mask. Then get the pen tool, make sure it's on path, and zoom forward and do this trick. Right click, make selection, okay. Get the brush, put it on 400, then black, and make this shadow. And you do this shadow on all of them. Okay, after you've done with it, get the splatter brush, put it on 400, and go to beauty layer and add some splatter effect. And we're done.